Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Binance token. Basically, in this video, we are going to learn about what is Binance, the WBNB, and after that, how can you convert it, and of course, what's the use case for it. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So on the first topic, what is WBNB? Basically over here, on this article that is created, basically written by Binance, and after that here, what is talking about what is WBNB. Basically, WBNB, for a long term for it, it is called a WBNB. Basically, it is a Binance token. So BNB is a native currency built on the BSC. Basically, it's the Binance Smart Chain. And after that, there is this thing called a BIP 2NT standard. Basically, on the Ethereum network, we call it the ERC20 token standard. And after that, over here, why do you need the WBNB? Basically, BNB does not conform to BEP20 standard tokens. Basically, BNB and BET20 token are designed to achieve different purposes. So if you want, because WBNB and BNB is not totally the same, and after that you can see, WBNB can be traded directly without tokens. Basically, let's say if you're gonna trade on like a decentralized exchange or whatsoever, basically most of them will use the WBNB token because it is like a BEP20 standard, and after that it can be converted within the smart contract. Basically, you can warp this token towards BNB towards WBNB, and from there you can trade with others token. And after that, we are going to talk about how can you get BNB token before you warp it. So how can you get some BNB before you get started with your Binance Smart Chain journey, your DeFi journey on Binance Smart Chain? Basically, on Binance.com itself, they have basically you can buy BNB with US Tether. If not, you can buy BNB with lots of tokens. So you just head over to the tab over here, head over to trade, and after that advanced, click on it, and you will be redirected to this page. And after that, you just click on this thing over here. Basically you can see BNB, and after that fiat. So basically what you want to do is head over here, and after that you type in BNB. And after that, just click on this, and basically you can buy BNB using a US Tether. If not, let's say you have some other altcoin that is basically over here, listed over here. There's lots of coins over here. So if let's say you want to convert Bitcoin towards BNB, you can do it. Just type this. Wait a moment. Just type BNB on you select on the Bitcoin tab and click just type BNB, and you will see BNB/BTC, and after that you can click on it, and from there you can trade your Bitcoin towards Binance token. I mean the BNB, and after that from there you will need to basically withdraw it. So you will head over to your wallet, fiat and spot, and once you have purchased your token, just head over to the wallets, fiat and spot, and after that you can search for your coin BNB, and after that click on withdrawal. So when you did withdraw this once you click on withdrawal on BNB, there's two network. You can choose the BEP2 or the BEP20, which is the BSC. So you will need to select the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain network, and after that you will need to enter your own address, which is similar, like it will look like something like this. So if you're gonna use the BSC network, it is gonna look like an Ethereum address, and after that if you're gonna use the BEP2, it is gonna look like basically it's going to show you BNB, and after that your address. So you have to select this, and after that just click on how much you want to withdraw and submit, and after that do your verification and stuff like this. And after that basically we are going to talk about the next topic, which is why do you even need WBNB. So basically there's BNB and WBNB, so I'm going to talk about why do you even need them. So on PancakeSwap itself, you can see that if you are going to do a liquidity pool, basically you become a liquidity provider to get this LP token. Let's say you're gonna do something like the cake and BNB. Basically you can use the BNB with nothing else. You need to enable the farm, and after that from there you can add liquidity into the farm using cake and BNB. And over here, this is one of the use case for BNB without warping your BNB. But let's say if you want to earn more money, let's say over here you can see this is WBNB, and I have already deposited like how many? Almost 46.8 worth of WBNB. So over here on value DeFi, if you head over to the VSafe, you will see this tab over here. Basically WBNB, and after that, if let's say you have 10 Binance token, you want to take part in this VSafe itself, you are not able to do that because you will need to have warp Binance token, basically the warp BNB, in order to take part in this specific VSafe, which is provided on the DeFi. So out there's many projects out there, most of them use the BNB token itself. It's good enough, but some DeFi project out there, they will require you to have this WBNB in order to deposit funds into the pool, and after that you can yield whatever is shown. So for the WBNB itself, daily I'm earning like 0.07, and after that APY annual per yield is around 35.5. And of course over here this is unstable. It will change, and after that varies from time to time depending on how much there's total value locked, and after that how much you deposit and stuff like this. And after that we are gonna talk about how can you convert it, like finally. So let's say you have some BNB already withdrawn from your Binance account, and after that onto your wallet itself. So one step over here, you can use the one inch exchange. I'm gonna link this down below. You can use this over here to convert your BNB towards the WBNB just by doing this. Let's say you have you want to convert 10, you just click on 10, and after that you will see you will pay 10 BNB, and after that you will receive 10 WBNB. So there's no fee over here, it's just only the network fee. So the network fee is 0.05 cents, and after that this amount of BNB. So you can just use this 1 inch exchange as your interface. Very simple interface, and after that just click on it, and yeah, basically if you, because I do not have 10, so you can see if I click on the swap token itself, it's gonna swap instantly, not really instantly, like maybe 5 seconds upon paying this amount of fee. And after that, the other way to swap your BNB token is on the smart contract itself. I'm gonna link the smart contract. So over here you can see that this is the WAP BNB, which is what is this? So over here the contract, it is the WBNB. So what you want to do is let me refresh the page. So once you are on the contract itself, you will need to head over to, once you are on a contract, just click on contract, and after that write contract. And once you are over here, you need to connect the Web3 interface. Just click on it on MetaMask, click on OK, and after that you need to scroll down all the way, and after that you will see this option over here, deposit. So I'm going to do example 0.01. If I write on it, and after that I will need to confirm the transaction. So once I confirm the transaction, I can view it. So around 10 seconds for it to reflect on everything. So we are going to wait a while. So it's really confirmed, and you will need to wait for a short while for it to reflect on the website itself. Yep, it is loading quite slowly. It's not reflecting. So to confirm it, I'm just gonna click on my wallet, and after that B20, I'm gonna click on the WAP Binance, and after that over here you can see that I have a balance of 0.01, which has been converted from my Binance token. Yep. So over here you can see it's showing function deposit, and after that deposited like 0.01 worth of BNB towards the WBNB token contract, and after that over here it's showing me 0.01, which is over here, which is not reflected on any transfer or information whatsoever, because yeah, basically you need to send off the token itself, then it will reflect. So on the value DeFi itself, they can detect it. So if I click on deposit and I click on max, it's going to show me 0.01. So let's say if you want to, now we are going to talk about how can you convert back your WBNB towards BNB if you want to, let's say, sell your token off on Binance. So let's say if you have some WBNB that's farming on, let's say, value DeFi, for example, like mine. So over here, if you want to do it, just click on withdraw all, and after that you will receive all the tokens in WBNB. And after that, of course, you will need to have you want to convert it to BNB before you deposit onto the platform itself to trade. So click on deposit, and after that, if you choose, so over here on BNB, you can send your BNB over here, but yeah, basically it will not be converted for you if I'm not wrong. So to be safe, you want to convert it to BNB before depositing. So if you want to deposit over here, just click on BET20 standard. It's going to show your address. Just copy and paste it onto your address. So we will need to convert the token first. So over here on 1 inch itself, you can use this option over here. But over here, you will need to approve your, over here on 1 inch, you need to spend a little more to approve this. So you need to click on infinite unlock, and I'm not going to do that because there's a cheaper way to do that. So if you want, you can use the 1 inch to, yeah, basically to act as your interface, which is very simple. Just enter how much BNB you want to walk back to BNB, the WBNB towards BNB. So for mine is 0.01. So you click on unlock, you can just swap the token, and you will need to pay for the approval fee, and the next thing you will need to pay for the swapping fee. So for the second way is just using the smart contract over here to withdraw. So you can see once you have connected your wallet onto the contract itself, the WBNB contract is going to be shown over here on the contract overview. So you have to verify this is the actual contract, and after that you need to scroll down and click on contract, and once you click on contract, connect your MetaMask, the same thing over here, and scroll down on number 3 itself, you will see withdrawal, and I mean the withdraw, and you can see it's U integer 256, which is if let's say you want to convert 0.01, you can't do that. If you click on right, it's going to tell you invalid number, so you will need to scroll up all the way, click on miscellaneous, and after that scroll down to the unique converter, click on it, and after that it is going to show over here on this page itself. You will need to find the BNB itself, so you will need to enter 0.01, and after that you will need to copy this number over here on the first itself, just copy it, and after that you will need to head over to the contract itself and paste, and after that you need to write, and after that click on confirm, and it's going to show you the transaction. I'm going to show it to you over here. So you can see previously I have 0.01 BNB, but right now it is showing 0 BNB, and I received my BNB by withdrawing. So over here you can see the contract is showing transfer 0.1 BNB from the BNB contract towards my my wallet, and after that I paid a fee of 6 cents. And you can do that without using the approval or whatsoever. You just need to head over to the contract, you need to write, and after that you need to scroll down, and over here you need to withdraw it. But the withdrawal is a bit complicated because you need to head over to the unit converter and determine how much BNB you want to withdraw. So let's say you are going to withdraw 10 BNB. You need to head up all the way to the last step over here, which is the way 10 negative 10 negative 18. Copy this value. Let's say you are going to do something like 1.123. So the unit over here, you have to copy this amount and head back to the contract and withdrawal and pasting whatever you have seen on the first. And after that, once you have pasted it, you just click on write and confirm the transaction, and you'll receive your BNB back to your wallet. So shown over here. Yep, so everything is already done. Yep, so you can see this is a transaction that I deposited to walk my BNB. So I received some WBNB, and after that, secondly, to withdraw it is over here. Just use the contract to write, convert the units, and after that paste it over here, and after that click on write, and from there you will see your funds appearing onto your wallet. And after that, lastly, let's say you want to cash out your BNB token, just withdraw it, send over to your Binance account, and after that, once it's confirmed, you just head over to the trade advance, and after that sell it towards Bitcoin, if not US dollar, depending on your preference. So over here, click on it, and after that you can just sell whatever you want on the tab itself, limit order or market order, depending on your preference. And after that, basically that's the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and of course see you on the next video. Peace.